telling me roar, feeling like a wild beast. Can't resist this feeling. I'ma let my wild side lead. It's taking over my body, can't control my energy. Going hyper like I'm tipsy, tipsy. What are you doing to me? I've not been myself lately. Look at me now, you better believe. Out of all animals, I'm the queen. I'm feeling crazy, crazy. What are you doing to me? I've never felt this way before. Who let the cats out? Meow, meow, meow. Who let the cows out? Moo, moo, moo. Who let the cats out?
at me, leaning on my shoulder, holding my hand, kissing my cheek. I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams.